I hope you all are fine and good. Okay children, today we are going to learn vocabulary, list 2 vocabulary of Wake Up Pari. This is the 4th story. Yes, okay. Today we are going to learn list 2 and then story reading of Wake Up Pari. Okay? Okay. Say, this is the first one, dear. Yes, very good. You were. Wake. Take. Clip. Nail. Read once again. You were, wake, take, clip, nail. Okay, let us move on to the next one. Where, hair, pretty, brush, smart. Read once again. Where, hair, pretty, brush, smart. Move to the next one, dear. Sleep, shoes, ready, school, teeth. Read once again. Sleep, shoes, ready, school, teeth. Okay, now we are going to read the story. What is the name of the story, children? Yes, Wake Up Pari. What is the name of this story? Wake Up Pari. Turn the page, children. Keep your book properly. Touch the word. Read along with me. Okay. Pari is a fairy. Who is Pari? Pari is a fairy. Look at the picture. See how colorful. Yes? Bees are flying, isn't it? Yes, very good. More flowers. Yes, trees are there. Yes? Yes. Pari is a fairy. Pari is a fairy. Pari is a fairy. Okay, move to the next page. Turn your page properly. Who is this, children? Yes, this boy is a giant. Already you know, yes? Yes, very good. This boy name is Laddu. Who says? Pari. Very good. Her best friend is a giant. Her best friend is a giant. Her best friend is a giant. I am Laddu. He says. Already you know friend, he says, best and all. Yes? Yes. Is I am. Only few words to learn. I am Laddu. He says. Touch the word, children. Her best friend is a giant. I am Laddu, he says. Turn the page, children. See, look at the picture. What they are doing. What is this? Yes, very good. This is a calendar. Can you guess what month it is? Yes, this is June month. Yes? Yes, they are. Look at the calendar. When the school is going to open. The first day of school. Okay, this is the first day of school. Both of them look at the calendar when we are going to school. Okay. They both start school on Monday. They both start school on Monday. They both start school on Monday. See, read. They both start school on Monday. Very good. Turn the page, children. See, look at the picture. What Laddu is doing? Is Laddu is wake up or not? No. What is this? Clock. Yes. What is this? Day or night? See. See the picture, children. Yes. It is going to wake up. The Laddu is going to wake up. Yes? Yes. But it is a Sunday. I think it is a Sunday. On Sunday, Laddu sleeps early. Very good. This is night. On Sunday, what we are going to do? We have to slept early. Yes. On Sunday, Laddu sleeps early. On Sunday, Laddu sleeps early. Repeat once again. On Sunday, Laddu sleeps early. Yes? Very good. Turn the next page, children. But see what Pari is doing. Yes, he is not sleeping. Yes, she is playing. Yes, children, what is this? Bat. Yes, bat. Bees and all flying. But Pari stays up late. But Pari stays up late. Do you know, children? Night time only the owl is flying at the sky. Yes? Yes. But Pari stays up late. Touch the word, children. But Pari stays up late. Okay. Turn next page. What happened? Yes. Laddu feel very happy to go school. Yes. Time for school. Time for school. What is this? Time for school. Turn next page. See. Laddu looks pretty or not? Yes. Smart. Yes. Laddu looks smart. Yes. What is this? Brush. Yes. Comb. Laddu brush their teeth, comb their hair, and then wear their dress neatly. Yes. Is Laddu ready for school? Yes, of course. Laddu is ready for the school. Yes. Is Laddu ready for school? Yes, he is. How he looks? He looks smart. Is Laddu ready for school? Yes, he is. He looks smart. Is Laddu ready for school? Yes, he is. He looks smart. Yes, children, when we are going to school, how we will be? We look smart. Yes, we should maintain our dress. We should comb our hair neatly. We should brush our teeth. We should take bath. Yes, yes. But what happened, Pari? Pari is ready for the school now? No. Still, she is sleeping. Yes. Sun came, but Pari is sleeping. Yes. But is Pari ready for school? No, she is not. What do we do? But is Pari ready for school? No, she is not. What do we do? See, children, Pari is not slept at the night. No, she slept later. Yes, that's why she can't wake up at the morning. Yes, likewise you also, like Laddu, you should sleep early at the night and wake up at the morning early. Okay? Okay. But is Pari ready for school? No, she is not. What do we do? Turn next page, children. Yes, now only Pari is wake up. Yes, wake up Pari. Already you know this sentence. Yes, this is the topic of the story. Yes, wake up Pari. What is this? Wake up Pari. Okay. You must take a bath. When we wake up, after what we are going to do? Yes, we should bath. Yes, you must take a bath. You must take a bath. You must take a bath. Move to the next page, children. We should bathe daily. Yes, but before what we have to do? We should brush our teeth. Isn't it, children? Yes. Who says? Laddu says, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. These words are in the vocabulary list. If you learn vocabulary list, you will easily read these sentences. Okay, children? Quick, comb your hair. Laddu says, quick, comb your hair. We have to go school. Okay? Quick, comb your hair. Quick, comb your hair. Quick, comb your hair. Next, clip your nails. Wear your shoes. See, while you coming to the school, what we have to do? We should clip your nails. Yes, we should wear your shoelace. Yes, otherwise you will fall down. Yes, we should tie our shoelace properly. Yes, children. Yes, I hope you should follow these. Clip your nails. Wear your shoes. Clip your nails. Wear your shoes. Read once again. Clip your nails. Wear your shoes. Move next, children. Have your breakfast. Finally, what we are going to do? We will have our breakfast and move to the school. Yes? Likewise, both of them, Pari and Laddu, have their breakfast. Okay? Have your breakfast. Have your breakfast. Have your breakfast. Move to the next page. Now see Pari. How was she? She looks pretty or not? Yes, very good. Now she is pretty. Now is pretty Pari ready for school. Now is pretty Pari ready for school. Read once again. Now is pretty Pari ready for school. Now is pretty Pari ready for school. Yes, I hope you all are practice this story at home. Yes, daily you should take storybook, sit along with your parents and then read the story. Okay, children? Okay, up to this I will wind up this session. Be safe, children. Take care of your health. Okay, drink plenty of water. Take healthy foods, fruits. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye. We will meet in the next session.